Introducing Empulse by Brammo, a leading EV technology company. Empulse is a breakthrough electric vehicle using Brammo digital powertrain technology and the revolutionary Brammo Power Battery Pack. It's the world's first water-cooled production EV motorcycle capable of 100+ miles per hour with a 100+ mile range, all on a single charge using a standard 110-volt outlet. Three models, 3 ranges, 100+ miles per hour, starting under $10,000. With tax credits, they'll cost even less. As the world strives to reduce its dependency on oil, Empulse arrives. Practical, affordable, exciting. Go online today to pre-order your Empulse for delivery beginning 2011. Empulse by Brammo.